yeah, it's really cool. I really love the brakes, really love it, really love it. Like if you just kind of figure out how to just be sensitive with it, don't pull back because it's kind of sharp. But let's say if you're going right now, like let's say let's go faster, and then you want to brake, you can just slowly push it back and then you come to a stop, and it is not jolty. You don't. Okay, so the beast is here. This is like $500. I don't know if I'm going to kill myself on this thing. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to test it. Oh my god, this thing is fucking heavy. Like I cannot pick this up with one hand. Holy shit, this thing is heavy as fuck. So how the fuck am I supposed to, like, this is huge. Oh my god, it's heavy. It's so heavy. Like, oh my god, I think this is 20 pounds. Oh my god, yeah, for sure. This thing is 20 pounds. Honestly, you guys, it's really heavy, and I am not an experienced skater or anything like that. This is Meepo Shuffle V4S. Now it has giant wheels. It's supposed to be really smooth. It's super smooth, and the board is kind of like concave. So like when you place your feet, it feels really secure to like carve and stuff. I really love it. It's really smooth. You guys, it's pretty smooth. I feel a lot safer going over cracks and stuff because the wheels are a lot bigger. However, having said that, I can still feel stuff. It's not like, oh wow, I can't feel anything. No, you can still feel it. You can still feel like the vibration and stuff. I feel a lot safer. I feel a lot safer on this than my other skateboard, because the other skateboard that I had is like literally it's like 200 bucks. I think it was like 150 or 200, I can't really remember. And I never felt safe with that, going over stuff. But with this, I do feel safer, but I can still feel things. It's not like, yeah, like right now I can feel the vibration, but it's just a more comfortable ride. Like, because of the wheels. And then, so I'm on level 1 because I don't know what I'm doing. And I don't want to go any faster than this right now. So I'm on level 1 and my brake is on level 2, and I really like the brake. The brake is on level 2, so I'm going to brake and let's see. So it's kind of like if you just, yeah, it's really cool. I really love the brakes. Really love it. Really love it. Like if you just kind of figure out how to just be sensitive with it, don't pull back because it's kind of sharp. But let's say if you're going right now, like let's say let's go faster, and then you want to brake, you can just slowly push it back and then you come to a stop, and it's not jolty. You don't feel like you're gonna fall off. So my honest review, this is pretty sweet, you guys. Meepo 4VS. I highly suggest it. Look at these wheels. It's really cool. I really love it.